Animal agriculture is the largest scale animal welfare crisis today, in my opinion. There are more farmed animals than wild mammals on Earth, many of whom are raised on industrial farms. The land used to grow crops for farmed animals and to feed and raise and slaughter them leads to habitat loss for wildlife. If we fed those crops directly to humans, we could decrease our agricultural land use significantly, since about 45% of crops are currently fed to animals, while animal-based foods only produce 18% of our global calorie intake. And then runoff from animal waste and antibiotics impacts the health of our waterways and the fishes and other animals that live in them. So it's just not sustainable for our growing population to keep eating the amount of animal products that we're eating. I think a really interesting statistic that I saw was that if everyone on Earth ate the average Canadian diet, we would need 1.3 Earths just for agricultural land, and then more on top of that for us to live on.
That's not reasonable.
It's really not. It's an enormous demand, and that enormous demand is driving intensive animal agriculture to try to maximize the food output in the smallest possible space. And that leads to some of the most serious welfare concerns that we've talked about